Alright, how is everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of another great alternative product. But real quickly, before we dive into this unboxing and first impressions, let me get some nice housekeeping out of the way first, and then we'll dive in. So, recording this video here today, I am using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active, and this video is being recorded in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. Recording all the audio here today, I am using the Boya BY01 shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video and audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. And as always, if you guys and gals enjoy this video and or you find it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And if this video piques your interest, all the links to where you guys and gals could pick up this great product at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's get into this. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the TBI PowerPro truly wireless earbuds. This is a great alternative to the Apple Beats Pro, okay? The Power Beats Pro, all right? So, if you want that style of earphones, but you don't want to have to pay that price, then you are definitely looking at these. And just for reference, I picked these up at the same time I picked these up. So not only was I looking for a great alternative to the Galaxy Buds, but I was also looking for a great alternative to the Power Beats Pro. Alright? And not just that, but if you wanted a great alternative to your regular AirPods, then you definitely want to take a look at either of these. So in terms of whatever earphone style you're looking for or earbud style you're looking for, you have a nice collection of alternative products that are better, similar if not better than the actual products they're trying to compete with. So really good stuff there, and y'all already seen this. If you checked out my unboxing of these, you already saw those. But nice alternative collection of products to some otherwise expensive products. You guys and gals know we're all about trying to find you the best performing devices and products at the cheapest possible prices on this channel. That's the whole motto behind the channel, alright? So if y'all didn't know what that logo stands for, that's what it stands for. Alright, so I just wanted to get that out the way. Now, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Let's talk about the packaging first. And as I always do, we already cut all the tapes and plastic off camera. So hopefully there's hashtag minimal struggles on this one. So talking about the packaging, I really like this. TBI did a great job. So you can see up front, we got some company branding, a little description of what the earphones are, picture of the product here, really good stuff there. On this side, again, more company branding. I like that logo, really nice touch. All right, good stuff there. On this side, we have some specifications for the earbuds. All right, so really long battery life, up to 10 hours of usage on a single charge. IPX sweat and water resistance rating. All right, really comfortable design here with your silicone tips, so you should get maximum comfort on these, and built-in chip for really clear phone calls and music playback, all right, with some really good bass. So good stuff there. All right, then flipping it on this side, we got some product specifications right there. So again, this is another Bluetooth 5.0 product. Okay, you can see the charging times, the distance for the Bluetooth, all that good stuff there. We're going to put this stuff to the test, and I'll let you know in the full review if it stacks up. Okay, again, feel free to pause and read up for yourself. All right, so overall, really nice packaging in my opinion, and I'm a big fan of this right here. You can see the charging case does have a percentage LED readout, so all the guesswork is done if you decide to go with these. So I'm a really big fan of that right there. So overall, I really do like the packaging and overall presentation. And now let's crack into this box. Let's go. Alright, so cracking the lid, you can see up top here, we have this thank you / follow card, okay, with all of the company information, the websites, barcode scan tabs for y'all, and then flipping this over, this is also your warranty card as well. So really good stuff there. So let them know how good you're enjoying the product. Leave them a review if you like it. All right. Contact information right there. All right. So good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Flipping it over. More information. All right. And a little barcode scan tab if you have any issues. All right. So good stuff there. Really nice presentation. Let's throw this off to the side. All right. Then removing the lid, we have the charging case right here. Really big, beefy charging case. We're going to come back to this in a second. Let me rest this down. Underneath that, got our little insert there. Got a little divider right here. Then we have the charging cables. So is this USB Type-C? Let's find out. Uh-oh. Dum-da-dum. Sadly, no. Micro USB to regular USB-A. So kind of sad about that. But it is what it is. Put that off to the side. Then we got our earbud tips. Now this is really important. You want to take the time to try these and find the absolute best tips. This is good for comfort as well as sound isolation. Okay, so very important that y'all take the time to find the right size tips. This increases your overall experience. All right. Then, other than that, we have a really big user manual here. Now, I'll take screenshots and throw up the relative or relevant information. My bad, y'all. So I'll put those up on the screen for y'all to check out. So we're trying to maximize the speed of this video. So I'll throw up the screenshots of that just so y'all see all the relevant and or important information. But that's everything that comes in the box. Now let me clear this out and put this all off to the side. And let's take a closer look at the product itself. All right. So here we go. Let's do this. So got the company branding up top here. Really nice. All right. Little thumb groove here for you to open it up. Okay. On the bottom here, got some specifications for the charging case. So let me give y'all a close-up of that. So it's got a 950 milliamp hour battery. Input is 5 volts at 1 amp. We got some FCC information and customer service contact information. So if you run into any issues, TBI should have you covered. So good stuff there. All right. And then on the back, y'all can see that it is a micro USB charging port. So you can't always have everything you want, but it's still pretty good nonetheless. So cracking the lid here, y'all can see we have the earbuds themselves inside of this nice little cradle with the nice little percentage readout. And I do believe they are fully charged because I peeled the plastic and dropped them in prior to pushing record. So they did start to charge up, so I believe they're fully charged. So you can see it is fully charged, but once you drop them in, it turns red. The LED comes on, lets you know the percentage of the case, and then it charges up, and then once it's fully charged, it powers off. So really good stuff there, and I like that. Now, as I always recommend, when you first get a product like this, I recommend you take the earbuds out. Okay? Then you want to charge up the case by itself first. This way you know the case is fully charged. Then what you would want to do is drop the earbuds back in the case and make sure they get a full charge. So that's something I always recommend y'all do right as you get a Bluetooth product. This way everything is charged up and ready to go. Alright, so you can see when we take the earbuds out of the case, it turns blue, it goes into pairing mode, and it pairs up and you're ready to go. So you can see really nice company branding on the side here. Now this is a multi-function clickable button. I don't know how well the mic's going to pick that up. And then you got your volume toggle up here. So volume down, volume up. Alright, and another ear wing design approach. So this hooks behind your ears and you should be good to go. FCC information here, and you can see the made in China right there. Really good stuff there. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to show y'all what these look like in my ears. Now again, I've already tried them on, I've already tried it out, so I'm going to show y'all a picture of that, and I'm also going to show y'all the price that I picked these up for. Alright, so let me pull that up now. Now, I picked this up from Amazon, okay, as I always do. As you guys and gals know, a large majority of my purchases are from Amazon. I'm a really big Amazon affiliate. I really do stand behind what they offer and what they do. And the customer service over at Amazon is always great. So if I ever run into any issues, I know they got me. That's why I'm a big affiliate or pusher of Amazon, because they really do a great job over there. But I picked this up from Amazon, and at checkout, it ran me, after taxes, it was approximately $53.45. So you can see the retail price right here is $49.95, and then including the taxes, it came up to $53.45. So as y'all can see, this is a similar style to the PowerBeats Pro at more than a fraction of the price. Okay, so really good stuff there. All right, and then also I want to show y'all what they look like in my ears. So let me just show y'all that real quick, because I did take a quick selfie with the Bold N1. So this is what they look like in my ears, and I have to say they are really comfortable. Thinking about the first impressions, they're really comfortable. Now I do need to adjust the earbud size because it's a little small, so I may need to go up to a larger size. But here you go, you can see how they fit in my ear. Now y'all will get a better demonstration when we do the fit and sound demo, but first impressions, I really do like these. Okay, so good stuff there. All right, and that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. All right, so I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys and gals have a happy holidays and a happy new year. And once again, I just want to send a big thank you out to all my subscribers and all my followers. I really do appreciate it that you guys and gals take the time to watch my videos, leave your feedback, share my videos. I really do like the community that I'm building over here, and I really do appreciate all the other communities that I've been exposed to thanks to what I'm trying to build over here on YouTube. So a big thank you going out to you guys, and let's keep up the good work moving forward into 2020. So let's keep liking, sharing, commenting, and leaving that feedback so we can all grow as a whole. So I just wanted to say thank you guys and gals yet again for everything y'all do for me. And I'm going to continue to put out the best quality content that I can. All right? So I hope you guys and gals have a great weekend, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. This full review for this product here should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video. Alright? So y'all be on the lookout for that, as well as the fit and sound demo, and everything's going to culminate in the full review. So y'all should get some nice, extensive, all-around coverage on this product. Alright? Just so y'all know everything to look forward to. Alright, that's enough talk. I'm going to get up out of here. Again, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace. We out of here.